Welcome to our quick guide on using the Video Storytelling Canvas brought to you by Ally. Today, we'll explore what this canvas is, how it can enhance your learning design, and how you can start using it with our free Figma template from Ally. Let's begin with the basics. The Video Storytelling Canvas is a strategic framework designed to help you plan and create impactful educational videos. It breaks down the video production process into key components, ensuring your content is structured, engaging, and educationally effective. In the context of learning and development, this canvas helps you focus on critical elements such as learning objectives, audience needs, and instructional content. By using the canvas, you can clearly define your goals, create a compelling narrative, and align your visual and auditory elements to support your educational objectives. Start by filling out the main details of the video. This sets the stage for your project. Next, define your video's objective. What do you want your audience to learn, feel, or do? This helps keep your content focused and effective. Identify your target audience. Understanding who you're creating content for will guide your messaging and engagement strategies. Outline your core message or theme. What's the central idea you want to communicate? Make sure it aligns with your objective. Plan the story arc, beginning, middle, and end. This structure helps create a compelling narrative that keeps your audience engaged. Decide on the visual style and audio elements. Use the template to plan imagery, animations, and sound that support your story and enhance learning. Define your call to action. What do you want viewers to do after watching? Also, plan where and how you'll distribute the video. Set measurable goals for success and outline your production timeline. This helps track the effectiveness of your video and keep the project on schedule. And that's it! Your Video Storytelling Canvas is now a comprehensive guide for creating engaging educational videos. Start filling out the template today and see how it transforms your content creation process.